of happiness surges through my veins because of the city's endless vitality and constant energy. Cairo is a historical city. The Nile River witnessed the lives of my ancestors, and I was also born and raised there. The difference is that my generation has witnessed the birth of a new capital. After graduating from university last year, I joined CSCEC and took part in the construction of Egypt's new Administrative Capital CBD project. New buildings rising up before my eyes. The city's vitality is growing because of our efforts. Since its construction, the new Capital CBD project marked a prelude to urban renewal. New technology is the engine of the rapid changes in the city. The 385.8-meter tall iconic tower, which used cutting-edge technologies such as skyscraper building machine, took only 3 years to become the tallest building in Africa, with more modern and efficient construction methods. After thousands of years, Egypt made a brilliant mark in the human architecture history once again. New energy has been used to empower the creation of green community. The CBD project has established a central utility complex CUC to centrally handle and rationally distribute energy resources in hot desert weather. We have used the most energy-saving methods to build a space with a constantly comfortable temperature. Solar street lamps on both sides of the road absorb energy during the day and light up at night. They don't only bring safety to the citizens, but also conserve energy, reduce carbon emissions, and cut the electricity cost. New concepts of recycling governance have been merged into urban life. The planets of the new capital are irrigated and grown with recycled water, adding patches of greenery to the golden desert. New transportation here is convenient and efficient, and the new leisure space can be seen everywhere. This place is expected to be full of greenness in the future, so we can walk free with friends and have better communication. The comfortable living space and harmonious and friendly community culture support our Egyptians' vision for a better life in the future. The blue water lily, symbolizing creation and rebirth, moves from the old city to the new capital, which reflects people's expectations and witnesses the brand new future of Egypt's new capital. Every day, thousands of Egyptian and Chinese workers work very hard to take a step further to fulfill Egypt Vision 2030. Every day, the outline of this future city becomes clearer and clearer. It's true that life is never perfect, and our pursuit of happiness never stops as well. But do we adapt to the city as it is, or should the city meet our requirements? In fact, over the past thousands of years, people's aspirations for a happy life have been constantly changing, and Cairo has also been actively or passively changing its appearance. Today, new construction technologies, development concepts, and win-win cooperation allow us to embrace the dream city faster and preserve Egypt's precious culture and memory at the same time.